You ever seen Daffy Duck when he loses his mind?
Al's customer takes an unexpected hike.
Let it snow.
Mid-January
Cool.
on BC's Coquihalla Highway.
Yippee-ki-yay.
With 8 inches of snow pummeling down.
We're just kind of looking for any issues out on the hill here.
Highway supervisor Tom Agar keeps a close eye on the mountain pass.
We're going to change some of the messaging on the overhead sign up at the summit.
He's the boots on the ground for our area.
Trucks stay in right lane. We can get a little bit of messaging out there. It helps us.
He's responsible for everything on there.
Just gonna wait for this guy, see how he makes out here. He's going a little slow, but I think he'll be okay.
Real slow in the right lane.
But just after 11 p.m.,
Okay, keep that hand still.
Why are you in the fast lane?
a spinout.
Unbelievable.
Threatens overnight runs.
The highway is now blocked. One guy.
Backing down to the trouble
627, Tom, what do you need me to move?
is Al Quiring and Big Green.
It's another night battling on the Coquihalla, that's for sure.
Yeah, grab this guy. You're getting a tow truck. The tow truck's hooking up to you.
The Semi
What's the holdup?
has maintenance crews,
Yeah, 2 plow trucks just squeaking by right now.
only able to attack one lane.
Road maintenance is starting to become very, very difficult. So there's urgency.
But as Al kicks into gear,
For some reason, this particular guy gets out.
We don't know.
Have you ever seen Daffy Duck when he loses his mind?
Al's customer takes an unexpected hike.
Unfortunately, they don't always want to get towed.
But Al
Come on, let's go!
soon discovers
Yes, sir. Because the highways, your guy has blocked the road.
the trucker's boss is the one calling the shots.
You have somebody that's 300-400 kilometers away. These guys don't understand the road conditions.
Now on scene,
Hey, we don't have time for this. You gotta take a tow. CBSE 627.
Go ahead, Tom.
Tom calls for reinforcements.
We need your help up here on the snow shed hill. We got some guys refusing to take a tow.
On my way.
Frustrating. I'm not going to deal with you. There's some red and blue lights right down the hill, and they'll deal with you.
Minutes later,
I need your driver's license around the street.
highway authorities are on site.
Why is he not towing you? What's the problem?
They had to call the owner of the company, and they're telling him not to take a tow.
The officer
Now he wants to get towed.
gets the drivers on side.
Take a picture for your boss and show him what you're dealing with.
I feel sorry for these guys. Getting yelled at by the boss. I'll tighten the cable up. You release your brakes. Here we go. We're just gonna get the hell out of here.
Hey, give her gas! Give her gas! Give her gas!
Tow trucks and the highways department.
Ready to roll?
We're all there working together to keep that road open. I'm in the business of helping people. My dad before me, his dad before him.
Okay, we should be all right now.
Yeah, have a safe one. Awesome. Thank you, driver. Appreciate it.